Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, 2019. Taking a look at homework. In honors math, we had practice 4.1b this evening. And in regular math, we need to make sure we're finishing our Chapter 3 test. Those afternoon classes, periods 7 and 8, you need to get that done tomorrow during Warrior time. Just a reminder, extra credit 4, as well as Moby Max, 30 minutes this week, is due on Friday. In science, there's an optional review. Hopefully you took this home with you and you're going to take advantage of it because it should benefit you tomorrow because we have our Adams test tomorrow. In honor science, we need our research outline for our science fair to be completed. In social studies, there was no homework. We had our prehistory test today. Hopefully you did well on that. And in language arts, we've got our writer's practice packet, page number 5. Make sure that you go through and don't forget about filling in the information on mugs. We had quite a few yellow slips today for kids that did not read the entire paper. Then literature, our final AR goal that is due is going to be Friday, December 13th, 1 month from today. You need to be reading 30 to 45 minutes daily in order to reach that goal. Also looking at honors, see folks chapters 11 through 13. Your packet, your character outlines need to be completed by the start of class on Friday. In CNL and FCS, there's no homework. That's it for today. Everyone have a great Wednesday.